Hey, folks, and welcome to week 2 of Online General Stats. Hopefully, you have successfully completed all of the required work for the first week here, as we see in our course introduction folder, picking up your materials, doing the introduction of yourself, and taking your syllabus quiz. Now it's really the work has begun. And so hopefully you've already started some of the required work, which again, if you take a look at the calendar on the side, you're going to see the entire course already paced out with the recommended dates that you actually do the homework assignments. So hopefully last week you had already started section 1.1 and 1.2. If you have not, you do want to get on the ball and kind of get working on those. I want to talk about your upcoming deadlines because that's really what the important component is. If you look at that one-page document I gave you that shows all the deadlines, or you can reference the course deadlines here. These are the real important dates. If you pass a deadline, you get zeros on any of the missing work or missing tests if it's not taken. So stay on top of those. Our first chapter is on probability and odds, and if we go into the folder, you will see our first deadline. So I try to make it pretty obvious for you. So here's our first deadline is going to be this coming Thursday by 3 p.m. What you need to have done is all of the work in folder 1.1 to 1.3. So please make sure that that is completed by that time. If you don't have it done by Thursday, lock yourself into a win session and come on in and please wrap it up. Now, the next deadline for here is going to be kind of closer to, it's going to be that following Monday. So it's going to be Monday the 16th for sections 1.4 to 1.5. So just kind of keeping that in mind. The last thing we can actually talk about is there's a third deadline, which actually is your testing deadline for this particular chapter, is going to be that Thursday, the 19th at 3 p.m. or by 3 p.m. What will happen here is I have already locked you into either one of the WIN sessions to come on in and take your test. So you could take a look at that in terms of what WIN session you're in. If there's a conflict with that, you can let me know, but hopefully I've already resolved it with any type of potential link crew issues or things of that nature. So this is really how the course is working, and hopefully you can keep yourself motivated and on pace. Again, I recommend that you do the coursework as it is posted on the days that it's assigned. That's the best way to stay on top of this class. There might be times or weeks where you get a little behind, and that's okay. As long as you meet those deadlines is really what you're concerned about. Remember, I'm in room C205. You're more than welcome to swing on over and ask me any questions or shoot me an email at landonn@277apps, and I'll help you out as I can. Have a great second week of school. Bye.